Dear viewers, this is my second YouTube channel. The first one I have formed and I am uploading my lectures on topic of construction of a building, and this is my second one on which I will upload the general issues and general topics day-to-day basis. So first of all, today we are going to discuss about the inclined Pisa Tower. But first thing I would like to highlight about the God's wonders. The wonders of God's power are countless, and His signs can be seen everywhere. Every small and large thing in the universe is a manifestation of His power. Some important wonders are here we are going to discuss. Number one, the vastness of universe. The immense vastness of the universe with its stars, planets, galaxies, and other celestials celestial bodies is a clear manifestation of God's infinite power. Every everything follows its own orbit and order, continuously by His command. The balance of air, water, mountains, trees, animals on each on earth is proof that a great creator is running it. The Earth's specific angle and its distance from the Sun, which provides favorable conditions to life. It is great demonstration of God's powers. So the remaining issues from 2 to 5 you can go through and read all the points carefully. Then we will proceed for the next slide. Thank you. Dear viewers, dear viewers, in this slide you can see my introduction, brief introduction. My name is Syed Ghulam Abbas Abidi, and I've been working in Sultanate of Oman for more than 36 years, and in Pakistan for more than 20 years in the field of civil engineering. And now I am a retired person and I am preparing the lectures on construction of a building, and so that in that way I have formed two YouTube channels. One is only for the students of engineering, the contractors, the engineers, the subcontractors, the architects, and the consultants. In this YouTube channel, I have to upload the lectures and presentations on day-to-day activities. I will be uploading frequently in twice or three times in a week on different topics. So I request you to kindly subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as people and as many as of your friends in your contact. Thank you very much. My dear engineers, as you can see my introduction in slide number 1. Now it is discussed earlier also. Now I am going to discuss with you the important topic of concrete technology, on which I have uploaded my first lecture last week on the same topic, and you went through that. So I request you to kindly subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as engineers in your contact, so that they can also get some technical and practical knowledge. Last lecture I discussed with you about the description of concrete, the components of concrete, plain cement concrete, reinforced cement concrete, water cement ratio, concrete admixtures, concrete mix design, methodology of concrete, concrete vibration, and grade of concretes. All these subjects were discussed in last lecture, but now we are going to discuss few more points in this lecture, part 2 of concrete technology. Please make sure that you will comment on this, you will like it, you will subscribe the channel so that the other engineers also can be benefited. Thank you very, very much. Dear viewers, most of us are having not much idea about the Pisa Tower. So we will go through the slides and we will try to understand why it was inclined and what is the remedy done and how the construction was done. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that Pisa Tower is empty from inside and not a multi-story residential tower or commercial tower. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is cathedral, the bell tower in Italian city of Pisa, built in the field of miracles. Let's get acquainted with the Leaning Tower of Pisa from a structural point of view, because my expertise is also in structure of the building. Its construction began in 1173 AD, and they began to establish the bases, then the walls, and after the building reaches the third floor, it was noticed that there was an inclined shape of the building. Just imagine that a tower weighing 14,500 tons in building is built to foundation on only 3 meters deep. That is very shallow foundation and very risky and very weak foundation, which was based on sand and silt. After discovering the slope, the engineers built the rest of the floor's external walls so that the height of the floor in the inclined direction is greater than its height in the other direction, which increases the inclination of tower due to the shrinkage of the foundation in a great proportion. It was in the soil due to the increase in the weight of the floor. So this criteria was adopted. Viewers, in this slide, we will go through the reasons as to why the tower did not collapse. Number one is the construction continued till 190 years, and the construction halted in it for a long time is one of the reasons that allowed soil to compact and whatever sinking is to be done is done, which reduces the rate of inclination and thus the tower did not collapse completely. The day soil health, the main reason for the tower's tendency not to collapse and its reliance in front of 4 times earthquake happened in that area. The engineers calculated the center of gravity of tower, and it was concluded that calculations that tower collapses completely upon reaching a slope of 5.44 degrees. The tower was closed in 1990 at a tilt of 5.5 degrees, yet the tower did not collapse. Attempts were made to stop the tilt of the tower, which we will discuss in our next slide. Thank you. Dear viewers, in slide number 5, we will discuss about the attempts made to stop the tilt of the tower and not to collapse it. Digging deep holes in ground at a depth of 40 meters and installing the tower with iron ropes and cables through the holes. Liquid nitrogen was pumped, which led to the freezing of water in soil and its expansion and contraction, against which led to the subsidence of soil and the subsidence of foundations, and frequently the slope of the tower at the rate of its inclination throughout these years. They dug 361 holes and injected the soil with 19 tons of cement, which led to the tower tilt strongly, and finally soil extraction was used in 1990. The soil was removed from the non-slanted side that the tower tilt in that direction. Then iron cables were used to fix the tower based in the ground, and the slope was reduced to 40 bikes. And this was what it was at the beginning. The engineers could have made it vertical, but they didn't want to lose its fame and tourist value because of its tilt. And after that it was completely completed, the tower was opened, and it was confirmed that the tower could endure without any collapse for about 300 years. So this is all the brief story of Pisa Tower. I will come back with uh, another slides and another presentation soon. Thank you very much. I request you all the reviewers to please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as people in your contacts, for which I will be much thankful to you. Thank you very much.